Good morning student. In previous video we have completed practice set 3.1. In today's video I am going to explain n term of an arithmetic progression. N term of an arithmetic progression is given by the formula Tn. Tn represent the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know the a. A is the first term of the arithmetic progression. N is the which term we have to find out, that number. Okay. And d is the common difference for the arithmetic progression. Let me take some example from practice set 3.2. First question is given. Write the correct number in the given boxes for the following arithmetic progression. In this question, here we have to fill the boxes. Okay, matlab filling the blanks it is given there, that we have to complete. Now what is the arithmetic progression? First example is given. A is equal to question number 1. First example, arithmetic progression 1, 8, 15, 22 and so on. This arithmetic progression is given. Now from this arithmetic progression, here we have to complete the activity, isn't it? Therefore a is equal to, a represent the what? First term of the arithmetic progression. Therefore from given arithmetic progression a is equal to 1. That is t1 is also 1. First term or the a. This is equal to 1. Then second term of the arithmetic progression, that is 8. Then third term of the arithmetic progression, that is 15. Then here we have to find out the difference between second term and the first term. That is t2 minus t1 it is given is equal to, in first bracket what we have to write? Second term of the arithmetic progression, that is 8 minus first term, that is 1. 8 minus 1, in this box we have to write the 7. Now next, third term minus second term, that is t3 minus t2 is equal to, third term is given, that is 15, here we have to write. Then second term is what? That is 8, here we have to write. 15 minus 8, here we get 7. Therefore d is equal to, now difference between two consecutive term, it is called a common difference and it is represented as d. Therefore d is equal to what? That is 7. You have to write in this box. Okay. In this way you have to complete the second, third and the fourth example from question number 1. This is homework for you. Okay. This is very easy. Then now see the second question. Now what is the second question given? Decide whether the following sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. One sequence is given. You have to identify that sequence is arithmetic progression or not. We already saw such example before. Okay. Find the, and next it is given, find the 20 term of the progression. And इसके बाद हम लोगों को 20 term find out करना है. Okay. Now see how to solve this question. Given sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. One sequence is given. Now we have to identify this sequence is arithmetic progression or not. For that, here we represent the first term as t1 is equal to minus 12. Second term, that is minus 5. t3 third term, that is 2. t4 that is 9. t5 that is 16. t6 23. t7 30, like that. Okay, here we write up to 5 only. Okay, then we find out the difference between the consecutive term, and from that difference we identify the given term is arithmetic, given sequence is arithmetic progression or not. For that, here we take the difference between two consecutive term, that is second term and the first term. Here therefore I write here t2 minus t1 is equal to, what is the second term here? Minus 5 minus first term is minus 12. Therefore minus, in bracket minus 12 I write. Minus 5 minus minus, that is plus 12. Minus 5 plus 12, here we get 7. Then similarly we find out that difference between next two consecutive term, that is t3 minus t2 is equal to 2 minus, that is minus 5 second term is equal to 2, that is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Then next two consecutive terms and difference t4 minus t3 is equal to t4, that is 4 term is given 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then next two consecutive term, that is t5 minus t4. t5 it is given 16 and t4 that is 9. 16 minus 9, here we get 7. With here the difference between two consecutive term is constant and this is called a common difference. Therefore here I write common difference D is equal to minus 7. If there is common difference between consecutive term of the given sequence, then that sequence is called an arithmetic progression. It means whatever the sequence is given here, that sequence is the arithmetic progression. Now we have to find out the 20 term of this arithmetic progression. We know the formula to find out the n term of the arithmetic progression. That is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out the 20 term. Therefore here we put the value of n as 20. Here we get T20. Okay. Is equal to value of a, that is the first term of the arithmetic progression, minus 12, plus value of n is equal to what? 20. 20 minus 1 into common difference, that is 7 here we get. Okay. Then minus 20 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 into 7. Minus 12 plus multiplication of 19 into 7, that is 133, is equal to minus 12 plus 133 is equal to 121. Therefore in this way here we get 20 term of the given arithmetic progression is 121 using this formula. Okay. I hope students you understand how to find out the terms of the given arithmetic progression. Okay. Here I take one more example, question number 5th. Question number 5th. What is the question number 5 is given? Find the 27th term of the following arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is given in this question: 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. From this arithmetic progression, here we represent the first term a is equal to T1 is equal to 9. Second term, that is equal to 4. Third term, this is equal to minus 1. Fourth term is equal to minus 6 and fifth term is equal to minus 11. First we find out the common difference. Okay. Therefore common difference for the arithmetic progression is second term minus first term is equal to. Second term is 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Here we get the common difference for the arithmetic progression is minus 5. In this question we have to find out 27 term for the arithmetic progression. Therefore, we know the formula to find out the n term, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we put the value of n is equal to 27, then we will get the 27th term of the arithmetic progression. A is equal to what? 9 plus n, that is 27 minus 1 into value of d is equal to minus 5. Here we find. Okay. Therefore, T27 is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1, that is 26 into minus 5. Therefore, T27 is equal to 9 minus multiplication of 26 into minus 5 is 130. Therefore, T27 is equal to minus 121. Therefore, 27 term of the given arithmetic progression is minus 121. I hope you understand this formula, n term of the arithmetic progression, and example based on the n term of the arithmetic progression. Now what is the homework for you? Question number 3rd and question number 4 is the homework for you. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you very much.